Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Not much happened today. I'm still expecting a volatile week, but it might not happen until tomorrow during the elections or as we get sort of the results in, right? But nevertheless, it's going to be a volatile week. As I said in the last video, I still track here both yellow and white scenarios. Both indicate at the moment that we've started a pullback, that either wave 3 in white has formed a top here in October or the blue wave 1. In both scenarios, I'm looking for lower at the moment. Okay, that can change. I mean, it's still very early. That's what I tried to highlight in the last few updates. That it's still very early. It only has just started this correction. So it's still very, let's say, it's still a bit unclear as to, are we in a wave 4 or are we in the wave 2? And then on the micro level, I've got two possible pathways here that I'm tracking, just to give you an idea of what is possible at the moment. The first one is the white scenario, which I slightly prefer, but it's not going down impulsively, which is why I said to you in the last update, the market is likely gonna change a little bit the structure. It's likely gonna morph, at least if the move down isn't impulsive. It always puts the market at risk of morphing, changing microstructures. Completely normal. The idea would be this is an A wave, this is a B wave, and I'm tracking a C wave down. I'd like to see in this scenario at least one more low, maybe even two more lows, but at least a test of the blue Fibonacci zone before that B wave starts, before we then go down in wave C. So that means, okay, the A wave could have bottomed already, which I'm tracking in the yellow scenario, but I would prefer white just because we haven't yet reached the 100% extension target, which is the first ideal target for the C wave after the B wave likely topped on Friday. It's just my preference, okay? The market definitely doesn't show much strength at the moment in the short term, but there is a potential that the B wave has started already, which is the yellow scenario highlighted here, in which this is an ABC structure. In this scenario, the last low needs to hold at 67,540, and we could get one more push higher in wave B before we go down in wave C. It's a slightly different structure, right? But yeah, I would like to see the price actually get to that blue Fib zone before that B wave starts. And if we do that, and if the price pushes a little bit lower, then I will have to adjust this resistance area together with the price. Yeah, because it will have to be adjusted lower with the price as the price goes lower as well. So this is what I'm tracking at the moment on the micro level. Looking at the bigger picture for Bitcoin gives us a good idea of where we are and where the key support levels are. So here you can see that the current thesis is that either wave 1 in blue or wave 3 in white have topped, and the wave 4 support area, again, we are still very early in a possible correction and we've just only started to pull back. So the exact structure of that pullback or that correction is at this stage rather unclear. We will have to have a bit of patience until more price data comes in. But the idea is that, this pullback could be a wave 4. In that case, support is between 59,783 and 64,728. Or if it's the wave 2 pullback, it would be a larger correction. In that case, we're tracking the support area, which is located between 53,768 and 60,258. That would be the lower support area for the blue wave 2. Only below 53,768, a more substantial top has likely formed. At the moment, not expected. And along the way, we should get some clarity if we're in a wave 4 pullback or a wave 2, but in the short term, it doesn't matter so much. That's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.